We are the 99%. We never forgive, and we never forget. You rich people, you better watch out. Hey. Just kidding. You know, when they were protesting the 1%, I thought, uh-oh, they're coming after us again. Eh. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO Indigenous Cause. Neiman Windham Oma Nungum. Hello, everybody. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and let's see, what are we going to talk about today? I think we're going to talk about our special guest right here. Say hello, Anamush. Woof, 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 woof. Okay, he's just a stuffed animal. I did that. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. Anyway, our word today, Anamush. BOOZHOO Anamush. Anamush, dog. And you know, I think our pets are really important to us. You know, I don't know many Native people who don't have a dog that's like a family member. So when you have a dog, you gotta say, Giza Ga'in Anamush. Giza Ga'in Anamush. Mwah! Mwah! Giza Ga'in, I love you. Giza Ga'in. Okay, I don't know. I guess that's all I got for today. So I'm gonna say, Gigawabamin. Gigawabamin Nagash. I'll see you later. Okay. Uh-oh. I dropped my mouse. I don't know how to stop this then.